So, what's going on in crypto? Here's what's going on, literally. It's been quite a weekend. I've actually done pretty well because I did a lot of shorts. Because as soon as the inflation numbers came out and they were worse than expected, I knew it was going to be a bloody weekend, because I also knew this week, the Fed was going to have their meeting and do their interest rate hike. So the second I started hearing people talking about, oh my God, maybe they'll do a 0.75, that's when I knew, oh, it's going to be a bloodbath weekend. If you follow me on Twitter, if you're in my Discord, or something like that, you heard me saying this all weekend, and I immediately took a short on Bitcoin and Ethereum. That has played out very, very well. But with all that being said, we also have this Celsius thing going on, where they stopped all trading, swapping, transfers, withdrawals, etc. So there was another problem that popped up. And Lido, which is where a lot of people stake ETH. When you stake your ETH, you get stETH. Now, stETH and ETH are not the same thing. stETH is pegged to Ethereum, okay? So it's like, it's not the same thing. But all these things happen. With the inflation numbers on Friday, we had the stETH problem that's still going on, happen, I think, on Saturday. And then the Celsius thing happens on Sunday. It was like boom, boom, boom. And now we've come down to the 200 weekly moving average on Ethereum. I think we got there on Bitcoin too. I mostly follow Ethereum. But all these things coming together, wow. And then the markets are still in crypto, equities. Everything is hanging on, oh my God, what's the Fed going to do this week? But I think regardless of what the Fed does, I think the market is pretty much priced in a possible 75 basis points hike. I think there's a slight chance, if Powell's really got the guts, he'll do a 1%. And if he does a 1%, you're going to see everything drop further. I think if he does a 0.5, markets may actually go up. It's not financial advice, these are just my opinions. If he does a 0.75, I think we see a drop and then maybe a bounce. If he does a 1, we're going to see quite a drop. I've just been DCAing, because everything I buy, I look out to April 2025, because the next Bitcoin halving is in March, April 2024. So April 2025 will be about a year after the halving. And usually the markets are somewhere around their highs, their all-time, they're way higher than they've ever been usually in that time. So that's my sell date. So everything I buy right now, I'm looking to April 2025, right? So everything I buy, if it goes lower, I just buy, because I'm not planning on selling for at least 3 years. Hit the follow. Be sure to get me on YouTube. I'll be doing a live stream later today, Monday through Fridays, noon Pacific Standard Time. You're awesome.